introduce myself to you. My name is Dewi Sinaga. I am from the Kepercayaan Terhadap Tuhan Yang Maha Esa educational program, and my goal in makes this video to fulfill my final semester excitement in the English course by Ma'am Novi. And in this moment, I will make ordinary fried instant noodles into extraordinary fried noodles. Curious? Let's watch. Before we cook, let's prepare the ingredients first. And the ingredients are 1 pack Indomie fried chicken pop, an egg, 2 spring onions, 1 clove of garlic, 5 chilies, quarter teaspoon of salt, 1 piece sausage, and some vegetable if any. And the step make to extraordinary noodle are boil water first. And the next, waiting for the instant noodles to finish boiling, slice the shallots, garlic, chilies, vegetable, and sausage. And the next, boil instant noodle in hot water. When the instant noodles have finished boiling, drain using a colander. After that, prepare a frying pan with a little oil to cook the ingredients that we have prepared earlier. After the oil is hot, add the shallots, garlic, chilies, and sausage. When it smells good, add the eggs while stirring. And then add the vegetables. And don't forget to add the little salt. If the vegetables are cooked, add the instant noodle seasoning that was previously in the instant noodle packaging. And stay mixed well. And the next is enter the instant noodles that we have boiled first. Stir until cooked. Don't forget to prepare the plate. And the extraordinary fried noodles ready to eat. Happy trying! Okay guys, this is the end from my video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.